It's Thanksgiving morning and this is their Thanksgiving breakfast. Let's go feed these crazy cats that are fighting behind me because it's cold and they can't go out. They're all grumpy. Start with my old baby. Who's going out today, baby? It's -5, okay? Eat your dinner. Good girl. I'm glad you're feeling better. This. Oh no. No, baby. No, that's not your food. You have to wait for a little bit, okay? Let's go check out on the bird. This is to protect the little birdie. Who are you, baby? Oh, you stole her food again. I'm just gonna lock you up in the bedroom, okay? So you can eat in peace. Good girl. And she's here. Oh, she's fast. You are fast. That's not yours. You drive me crazy. Okay, next. Sylvester's gonna get her dinner on her dad's coat, so she's in a higher place and the kitten will not steal her food. Okay. This Charlie Bear. Enjoy, baby. Okay, Charlie Bear. And these two are waiting. Yeah, I know. Come on. Are you gonna eat Uncle L? Come on, the kitten will get it. Okay. Ah, you're still sneezing? Okay. You're such a thief. It's not yours. Look, see? You got your own. Can you guys eat quietly? The furnace finally stopped blowing, so it's quieter. What's happening to this phone? Look, you don't have to fight. Your siblings are not here to steal your food, so eat quietly, please. Okay, Al? Yeah, you have to steal again. Eat fast, Uncle Al. Okay, it's -5, Charlie Bear. So I don't know where you're going. Okay, there you go. How is it? Oh, yeah, it was damaged. Oh, it's just damaged now. Oh well, I can't bring everything in. Yeah, it was really bad for us. -5. Okay, Charlie, I'm gonna be getting on you, checking on you. 5 minutes, you come back. And -5 last night, so it was a bad frost. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Today's holiday. Okay. Beautiful morning, except cold. The sun's peeking through. Birds are chirping, so that's nice. Vester's off. Come on, you two. Okay, it's cold. Okay, I'll go check on you in 5 minutes. Oh well, it's October after all. So cold is here. Hey, you survived. You warm in here all night? And she's still cleaning the plate. Baby, are you trying to grow up fast? Yeah? Okay, we got plenty of food here, okay? You don't have to fight for food all the time. Okay, love you, little kitten. That's enough. So now I'm going to make something. I'm going to prepare a plate for my little birdie. And I'll bring it to her. Here, got your food, baby? You don't belong here, kitten. Where'd you go?